Hey everybody, it's Dave Fingers here with my good friend Kyle Gravett. He is the president and CEO of 3ACLEAN. What's going on today, Kyle? How you doing?
I'm doing great, Dave. It's a beautiful day out there, a little chilly, and where you are, it's a little windy, but how you doing?
I'm doing all right. I appreciate it.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yep.
So the last time we talked, we you had mentioned when you were at a commercial cleaning conference, one of the things that you saw that was coming down the pipe is robotics for the commercial cleaning industry, right?
Right, right. And and there's a number of them that are out there, and we've purchased some smaller ones like the little vacuums, the little round vacuums that move around. And we found that it works okay on hard floors or on carpeted areas, but there's got to be next to nothing in the way. And going between to transition from hard to carpet looks like there's still some problems. Like I said, we own two of them. We always joke we're an R&D company now because we will buy this technology and test it out. And now a lot of places they're giving you 30, 60, 90 days to try it out, and if you don't like it, just send it back. And they say no questions asked. Well, I'd be asking a lot of questions. I'd want feedback as to why you sent it back. But the one piece that I saw that was very, very interesting was, and I can't remember the name of the company. Maybe someone will see it and they'll tell us, "Hey, this is who we are." But it
Yeah.
was a, a robot that swept the area up and down, could sweep it, and then after it was done sweeping, it could transition itself to scrubbing the area, which I thought is great. Like I know that in hospitals, this is where a lot of that robotic technology is being used right now because they've got long open corridors where if there's enough of that, you can have multiple units running, and we've seen some of the case studies in this where multiple robots are doing the cleaning work and one person is managing it. So upwards of 3 to 4 individuals can be replaced, managed by one person. So the buyback is really, really pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
If you're saving, if you just save half the money in the first year, you're buying it back in 6 months, 8 months. That's an awesome investment to me. You
Right.
know,
And does that trickle down to the pricing for the client as well, since you don't have the labor costs involved
it
eventually?
can.
Yeah.
It can, yes. And I think that that's what a lot of what these bigger contractors who are into these massive hospitals, we've worked as second tier subs for some of these companies, and it's been a while now, but we've purchased the auto scrubbers that were manually, had to have somebody operating it. But I think that this is the way of the future, and I think that we're also going to start seeing more, I don't know, more human-like cleaning done with robotics. And I know that there are a number of companies that are working on that right now. So to me, I think it's pretty exciting, especially in an era of, people don't want these jobs. And, if you don't want them, hey, they'll figure out a way to get the work done anyway.
C3PO will do it for you.
That's right. Absolutely. R2D2 right behind him.
That's right. Well, that's pretty interesting. I mean, you're seeing robotics in a lot in manufacturing and different industries like that. Uh, I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it's coming to the commercial cleaning industry because, I mean, how long have little robotic vacuums that go around your house, right? It looks like a little disc. You go
Right.
around and vacuum while you're not there, right?
Right.
So I guess it makes sense that it's transitioning to bigger and better things in the cleaning industry.
Right. And I think that the better AI becomes, the more that it can handle, I think that we're going to see more and more of this. And you just talked about manufacturing where you can see the row of those robotic arms moving and doing different things. And it's interesting. I know that there are people out there that, oh, well, we'll all lose our jobs. And it's like, take the jobs and they won't go and do these things.
There you go. Well, that's good. That's good stuff, man. It's interesting to see the evolution of robotics entering into all these different industries now. So
Right.
appreciate the feedback on that.
You got it.
So if somebody needs to get a hold of you, how do they do that if they need a good commercial cleaning company?
Well, you can hit me up. You can send it to customer service at 3ACLEAN. Ask for me. I'll help you out. Or if you want to pick up the phone, you can dial 303-716-2802. Ask for Kyle. I answer the phone when I'm paged.
There you go. Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate it, brother.
You got it, Dave. Thank you.
You bet. Talk soon.